Hey, what's up guys, it's me here again. Again. And again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Again. So I'm still here. But I don't know what to do. What the heck is this? Oh god. Please help me. Okay, so there's that thing down there. I don't get this. Help me. Help me, I'm so stupid, I don't know what to do. Look at this. How are you supposed to get into that room? There can't be another button. If there is, I'm gonna have to search the walls down through. Thick and thin. Probably not the right expression for this, or whatever, you know. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Maybe there's something on the second row. Check on the second and the first row here. And the third. Okay. Aha, a button. A secret little button. What'd that do? There's like 2 buttons per room I have to press or something. I'm so confused. What am I doing with my life? Oh god, like, I think the other one's on the ground over here. Over here. Oh my god, is this impossible or am I just retarded? It's the retarded one, isn't it? Okay, I guess I'll do the same thing. Wait, back. Oh, hold on. Look at that. The heck? Do I have to throw something in there or something? Do I have to press this button and like go in there? Oh my god, this is so confusing. My head hurts. Ow. My head really hurts. Ow. Okay, that hurts. Okay, there's gotta be a clue over here. Or something. Clue? Maybe? Clue? Colonel Mustard, whatever his first name is, did it? Pun gone wrong. Okay. It was definitely Mr. Pun. Oh my god, my head hurts so bad. What do I do? What do I do? I'm sick confused. Maybe on the ceiling. Yeah. The ceiling definitely has something on it. Other than a button. Just like press both the buttons in a matter of time or something? I don't know what the other button was. It's down here, isn't it? Yeah, I think I'm retarded. I think I'm gone mental. Oh, here it is. Okay, go. Go. And then press up. Oh, what? Wouldn't that open? Oh, so there's 3 buttons in this room in total, if I'm correct. And oh, all 4 of the skeletons were spotted. And what do I have to do? Do I punch the skeleton? Oh, it's a puzzle. Oh god. I have to go back and look at them all. Man, what a cheeky button. I think one's over here. Oh my god. I'm so confused. Okay, this one. Okay, the left is sideways, facing inwards. So, okay, that's okay. This is really cool, actually. Okay. Okay, that faces inwards. Man. Okay, there was one that was you could spot through the wall over here. I'm pretty sure it was the top one, and it was tilted a little bit to the right. Oh no, it's facing down left, down left. Okay. It's facing down left. That's okay. Oh my god, this just looks the same. So that one's pointing towards that one, and that one's pointing towards that one, so I'm guessing that one will point towards that one. That one's pointing towards that one. Okay. Now where's the other little crevice looking place? I don't know why I said crevice. That was probably a bad choice of words. Oh, here it is. No, I've already got mine. What the heck? Okay. There has to be one little hole over here. And I haven't spotted it. Of course there is. I still need two more though. Just, I need that one and that one. If I just spin it, do any kind of order. I'm not turning this on my computer. Ow. Maybe it'll help. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. I'm gonna test something out here. Okay, it does not make a noise. Oh my god, I did it. Oh, master guessing skills for the win. Oh my god. That was awesome. I feel really good about that. There's more. There's freaking more, of course. There's an upstairs. God, there's more. Please don't last too long. Okay. Don't seem too hard to get to. Yeah, look at it. Ah, God. Okay, so you can't kill the dude. Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, nah. Have to lead him into lava, I don't know. You're invincible. What do I do? Oh, look, I'm here. What? I got the silent one? I got the silent one. Yes, finally. Oh my god, let's watch this baby go down. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's over. It's finally over. That was so long and annoying. Yeah, let's do, because I suck at parkour, let's do parkour, yay. That's awesome. Oh, I missed that. Hey, which way can I go? Upwards. Which way? It's open to me. This way. This is the way that's open to me. Training. Oh, oops. Oh, god dang it. I keep doing that. Good. 3 block gaps can be about to down. Okay. There we go. 4 block jumps. Oh. Oh. Why is it? Oh. God! Dang it. I hate 4 block jumps. Yes! Okay, these jumps are so bad. As I say, as I fall. You can go that way. I can't go that way. Oh yeah. Got that. Okay, training. Ow. 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 Yes. Ick. Yeah. Oh, come on. That was not even fair. Ah. I feel like this is gonna last a lot longer than the other one did. Mainly because I suck at parkour. Oh god, lag. Lag and parkour, the worst combination ever to be known to man. Oh my god. Okay. Get a stop there. I don't know why I keep not stopping. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. I hate parkour. I chose to do this one, didn't I? Yes, finally. So I'm so sorry. Press that button. Okay. Yes! Yes, now I have to run back. I didn't even have to jump. Okay, what's next? Let's go this way. Basic? Okay. Oh, derp. Pretty basic. Yeah. Oh, derp. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh my god. This is embarrassing. This is so far. This is just basic. I'm so bad at parkour. I'm sorry you guys have to sit through this. No! This is the next couple of episodes right here, guys. I don't like this anymore. It's just like one thing, it's no checkpoints, okay? Again, just basic. I can do that part flawlessly. It's this part right here. Just the fact that there's no checkpoints gets me. Yes! Come on, level. There you go. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I wish I had Brandon here. He's no better at parkour than I am, but still. We'd be a team. And also, he'd probably be way better at making parkour. I don't know. There was like one checkpoint through that entire thing. Yeah. Okay, after completing that, I have to go over here to the intermittent. Yeah, I can't even say that. Is there an invisible block above it? There's no invisible block above it. I just got one of the harder ones and just can't tell. Hold on, let me go see it. This is advanced, okay. Intermediate. Okay, yeah, I see it. I have to get in rhythm with it. I don't know how long this video's going on for. I started the timer like you pretty much can't do this without stopping. There's speed boost or something. Yeah, very useful. I suck at parkour. I really suck at parkour. I suck at parkour. I really suck at parkour. I suck at parkour. I suck at parkour. No, I have to be. Okay, like this. Hands ready. Doing some stretches. Okay, 9 a.m. on a Saturday morning. You literally can't stop on this, can you? I really think you can't. No, you can't stop. You have to get in rhythm. Oh, that was close. Close one. Oh no, it's this one right here. At least there's no slime box. There might be, because it's all green, so I'm guessing maybe there's like a slime block or two. Oh my god, why'd I stop? Okay, so without stopping, I have to go. Or not. Okay, I can just like taste victory there. No, I forgot. I can't stop. Can't stop. Get up, now, lag! Okay, so the first part of it, you have to get into a rhythm with it, which I'm not doing. I go back to basic. I've got to learn how to parkour. The glasses are going. Glasses get off the holes. Oh, my eyes. My eyes hurt. Okay. I have to end this episode off really soon, but I kind of beat this part first. So. Okay, it's this part right here. Yes. Okay, so I have a while to go, so I'm gonna have to do this episode right here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Diversity, and you will see this going up. I'm sorry for the really early upload on Diversity, the first part. And yes, I realize I did only say Diversity. I'm not going to say Diversity 2 because really, I forgot. And I kind of don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to call it Diversity, really. I really don't want to call it Diversity 2 because it's the first, it's Diversity 2. But I haven't played the first one, so to me, it's Diversity 1. I'm gonna try this one time before I go. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna try it 2 times. Okay, yeah, 3 times. Okay, 4 times. I wanna beat it so bad. No! Okay, 5 times. Okay, 6 times. Okay, no! It's that part right there. 8 times. 9 times. No lag! Ah, that was server lag too. Okay. No, it's that part right there. I want to beat this one before I go. Oh. Okay. Freaking, oh my god. No, I'm an idiot. You guys probably laughing a storm at me right now. I haven't done parkour since like forever. I never do parkour, man. I would say this is my first time doing parkour, but I'd be lying to you. It's like my 3rd time doing parkour in my life. Okay. Okay. No! Why is it so hard for me? You do this part good. I can't do. Oh, when I go to this block, it's like everything gets more. Okay, it's this part right here, not that part. But yeah, I found this. Okay. As soon as I beat this one, I'll be fine. I'll be happy as a little ducklet on the bridge. It's probably gonna take a few episodes. This is the next 6 episodes. Welcome back to episode 17. I'm done.